Okay, so I will go over this the things that I wrote for the system. So first of all, we need to move the system, the landing page system, to this hosting. This is the first thing. Okay, and second thing is install these plugins. Now, one of the plugins it's called Font Awesome. It's already located in the hosting account. If you go to the hosting account, it's located here. This is all the plugins that are related to the CK or the editor. Now, step 3, remove template 10, fix form of template big arrow because it's not working. Make template 5 responsive. Fix some forms also on autoresponder that they will look good and they will detect automatically the autoresponders. That means that in the system itself, when the user go to the autoresponder area, this area, and he choose opt-in. So he places the code and it need to detect the field and then display the form with our design. For example, every autoresponder is usually have a name and field, name field and email field. So we need to detect this field, and if the user puts some CSS here, we need to discard this CSS and use only our design. Next, any form that has submit button as an image, replace it with text button. Some of the some of them have image like this one, I think. Yeah, this one. Maybe there is more, but I know that this one have image. Yeah, so it's need to be just text. So like the other ones that we have here, like in this one, it's a text. See, this is a text. If it's not a text, so we need to make it as a text because I want to change the text after it to Hebrew. So we need to make sure that every submit button have an option so I can change the text later on to Hebrew text. Next, duplicate template 5. So we have this template. Okay, I need to duplicate it after making it responsive because this is not responsive. I'm sure that I wrote it somewhere. Oh yeah, make template 5 responsive. So first of all, need to make this template responsive and duplicate this 5 times, meaning that I want 5 templates like that, like this one. Each template with different background. Now background you can find on this site. There is three backgrounds here, and I believe you can find some nice ones because this provide, for example, this one is very nice. There is several. I'm sure you will find something that is suitable. This one also, and you can download here the extra large or any size you want and download it. It's free. So so 5 of them, and duplicate it just with different backgrounds. 6. Add the system clean, nice, responsive template. You see, this is one of my websites that I built, and it have a nice frame. It's already responsive, but what is nice about it is the frame here. You see, it's very nice. Forget about the content now that is in this page. It's going to be clean. I don't want anything here. I want simple page like this one without any opt-in form or anything like that. Okay. And on each step I want a red button on the top. Okay, this is a screenshot that I've done. Let's go to the screenshot. You see this is the step area. You see this is text, this is step 1. I need to, this is in Hebrew, step 1. Let's go and see it in the system itself. You see, in this area I want a button, okay, and I have already the design of the button. So in this, if a user click on it, he will have a pop-up window same like this one, and I want to place a YouTube video that will give instructions on how to use this step, and each step will have a button here. By the way, this is long text, it needs to be up to here. I will change the text, but anyhow the button should be here. See, and again in this step I will explain in video what is all about. So each button need to open a different pop-up, not the same pop-up, a different pop-up with different video that I will embed, and this for all the steps. Now okay, step 8. You can see that here it's a live text. I want the same live text also in this step because this is an image. All this is an image, so I want to remove this image and use same like this one, exactly the same layout. Okay, big text here, small text here, same font, same size, and text here. So it needs to be on this area because it's an image, and also on this because it is image, also in this one. I don't know, it's changed to be fine, but just before it's going to process the landing page, is kind of have, I don't know if you notice it, but it's kind of having a, see, something jumping here. It's only need to show this one. So I believe something is related to the process, showing two different pages or something like that. I hope you understand me. Now, success. I want to install a sharing plugin. I explain everything here, so just need to read it. Also, everything is, if something not understood on these steps 9, 10, tell me, because I wrote it with explanation. On edit button, I don't want to. Yeah, you see, this is the edit button. If I click on this, it's open for me some field to correct. I don't want it. I don't. I don't like this. What I want that if I click here, something will happen the same way that I clicking back. You see, if I click back here, then I go just to the first step, okay, and everything is already saved, so I don't need to do it again. You see, for example, DDD, okay. So if I click here, yep, I go to the beginning, and if you can see, I have the same things already saved. So the system is somehow saving this for me. So and I want this button, the third button, to do this same thing. By clicking here, it will automatically start with the first page. Okay, next. Number 12. Okay, this is if read it. If you don't understand this, chat with me on Skype or something like that, because it's important. This is how I'm going to profit from this system. So basically, I want to a person. If you know Wix, you will understand what I mean by this step, because Wix is kind of working in the same way that person can choose a domain, or we can host it on subdomain. So if you have question, talk with me, because there is a lot of systems that work like this, that creating landing pages. Okay, so that's all. Let me know if you have any question. Bye bye.